welcome back to my channel. So I'll share with you how I grow some red and green amaranthus from seeds. So these are the seeds of these are for green amaranthus. Okay, and I made this tub ready for green amaranthus, and that one I have already sprinkled the seeds into it. These are the seeds of uh, red amaranthus. This one. Okay, they look very similar. It's not very easy to differentiate between them. Only people who say, I mean, the man who was selling them, he said me that these are the seeds for, see, they're almost similar. One is for green amaranthus, and the other one is for red amaranthus. Okay. Even now, I'm also confused because this one looks little reddish, right? Anyways, so this is it. I've made this pot ready, and I've made some holes below this tub with the Caesar, heating the Caesar in a candle, the way you will find in my all your videos. And I'll just be sprinkling some of these seeds onto the soil. See, just like that. The soil is already moist, it has holes beneath it to drain off extra water. And the same thing I did with this one, the other color seeds. Okay, so sprinkle some more. Baby amaranthus plants will grow and you can eat them very easily. I've done this earlier also, and trust me, this grows very, very well. That's it. And I'll put them in a place in the balcony where they get enough sunlight. Thank you.